Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and a small pinch of salt. These basic components are all you need to create delicious homemade pasta. Make sure your counter is clean and dusted with a little extra flour, preparing a perfect surface for our culinary adventure. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, setting the stage for success. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. Create a well in the center of your flour mound and crack the 2 eggs directly into it. Gently whisk the eggs, slowly drawing in flour from the sides until a shaggy dough forms. Then, it's time for the most important part, kneading. Work the dough for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and springy. Afterward, cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax, making it easier to roll. With our dough rested, it's time to transform it into beautiful pasta strands. Divide the dough into 4 equal portions. Take 1 portion and, using a pasta machine or a rolling pin, roll it out very thinly. You're aiming for a thickness of about 1/16 of an inch, almost translucent. Once rolled, you can cut it into your favorite shapes, whether it's classic fettuccine, wide tagliatelle, or even delicate pappardelle. This step is where your creativity truly shines. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, cooking our fresh pasta. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a vigorous boil. Carefully add your freshly cut pasta to the boiling water. Remember, fresh pasta cooks incredibly fast, usually in just 2 to 4 minutes, depending on its thickness. It will float to the surface when perfectly al dente. Drain it quickly and toss it immediately with your favorite sauce for a truly delightful and satisfying meal. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.